Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to pay an Airbnb booking using GCash, a quick and easy process. Let's get started. Open Airbnb in your browser or mobile app. Log into your account, search for a place you want to book. Click on the listing to view its details. Then, scroll down and click Reserve. In the Pay With section, click the drop-down menu. Then, select GCash as your payment method and complete any required profile details. Click Confirm and Pay to proceed. And after that, you'll be redirected to GCash payment page. Enter your GCash mobile number and click Next. Then, input the OTP or one-time password sent to your phone. Enter your GCash MPIN to confirm payment. Once successful, you will receive a confirmation email from Airbnb. And that's it. You have successfully booked your Airbnb using GCash. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more useful guides. See you in the next one.